Welcome to Survey Lab. Let us talk about plane table survey, plotting a few points by a radiation method. The various equipment to be used for a plane table survey named is plane table with tripod stand, rough compass, LED, U-frame, plumb box, spirit level and drawing sheet. Plane table surveying is a graphical method to making a field observation and plotting proceeds simultaneously. It is means making a manuscript map in the field, and while it can be seen by the topographer or without any intermediate step recording. Now this diagram is based upon the plane table. Plane table is pivoted on the tripod stand. The size of the plane table is 600 mm into 500 mm. This is a U-frame or plumbing fork. The function of a U-frame or plumbing fork to shift the ground station point on the sheet. This is a plumb box which is attached with the U-frame or plumbing fork. This is a LED. There are the two vanes, side vane and object vane. One end of the straight edge and other end is a judicial edge. This is a spirit level. The function of a spirit level to check the table is leveled or not. If the bubble is centered, means our table is fully leveled. This is a trough compass. The function of a trough compass to mark the north direction, right side top of the sheet. Now we are taking a field observation. First, select the ground station point is named by capital R and set up the instrument parallel to the R point, centering it, leveling it and bisecting it. After that, shift the capital ground station point on the sheet with the help of plumbing fork that is named by small r. Capital X, capital Y, capital Z is a ground point. From the R point, all the points can be visible. After that you can mark the north direction, right side top of the sheet with the help of trough compass. Now we can fire the pin at the point of small r. Judicial edge can be touched with the pin and side the point of capital Z point. When the rod is bisected through the LED, you can measure the distance from capital R to capital Z point and reduce in some scale and draw the line with the help of LED. Simultaneously, you can sight the point of capital Y point and capital Z point and measure the distance and reduce in some scale. Now we are taking a field observation related to the plane table surveying. This is a tripod stand and table is mounted on the tripod stand. The size of the plane table is 600 mm into 500 mm. And this is a U-frame and plumb box is attached with the U-frame or plumbing fork. The purpose of this plumbing fork to shift the ground point on the sheet. First we have to locate the ground point with the help of arrow. Where the plumb box tip is touched, we can insert the arrow. After marking the ground station point on the ground, we can shift the ground station point on the sheet with the help of plumbing fork and we can mark the dot on the sheet with the help of pencil. This is a LED 8. One end is a straight and other end is a judicial edge. This is a spirit level. You can see the bubble is center, means our table is leveled. This is a trough compass. When the north point is touched with the zero division, means our north direction has been found and we can draw the north direction right side top of the sheet. After shifting the ground station point, we can sight the point of X with the help of LED 8. When the crosshair is bisected with the ranging rod, we can draw the imaginary line on the sheet. Simultaneously, we can measure the distance from R to X, and we can reduce the distance in assumed scale. If the distance from capital R to capital X is 20 meter, we can assume scale is 1 meter equal to 1 centimeter. On the sheet, we can draw the line is 20 centimeter. You can see small r is a ground station point on the sheet, small x is a ground point of capital X, small y is a capital Y on the ground, and small z is a capital Z point on the ground. After measuring the distance, we can convert it into a sum scale and mark the point. This is a radiation method, and from this method we can shift the any type of the object on the sheet.